The next big thing on your work site isn't made of iron. Introducing the CAT app, a simple, easy-to-use fleet management tool with the power to help you monitor equipment, react faster, and maximize uptime. Downloading the CAT app flips the switch on your operation, making your equipment easy to track. With real-time access to data, providing actionable insights. It keeps your equipment up and running and saves you money. Track hours and location. Monitor machine health. Manage maintenance. Order parts and request service. Analyze efficiency and avoid downtime. Optimize every aspect of your operation with simple and easy navigation on your device. The first of its kind CAT app. Download for free from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store.